Thanksgiving. She takes care of home. The bills are paid. The meal was cooked. Hey guys, it's Kid the Vixen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you're interested in seeing how I install this wig, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the packaging that the wig came in, and as you can see, once again, very beat up. I have no idea why UPS keeps sending me these beat up packages. Like, stop playing with me, UPS. But anyways, that is the bag that the hair actually came in, and the hair was fine, guys. Nothing wasn't wrong with the actual hair itself, just the box came a little beat up. And those are the goodies that came in the bag. It comes with a pack of nails. It also came with a melt band and HD lace wig caps. And I will be using, well, I probably won't be using any of that, honestly. And here's the wig. And it also came with some ear tab tape. I haven't used that before, so I don't know. I don't think I'll use that either. Maybe someday. But this is the wig. It came pre-curled, as you can see. And the lace is already cut, guys. Already cut. And that wig is looking good. Very, very good. It looks really nice. Straight out the packaging, it looks really, really nice. And it does come with an adjustable elastic band that you can see there. I ended up taking that out of my wig, actually. And it does come with one comb in the back. Okay, so I know I'm looking a little crazy right now. That's because I'm about to get ready to install this wig. Y'all, I did lay my baby hairs down because the wig is a 7x5 wig, so I just want to make sure it looks as seamless and as natural as possible. And I'm going to also be using the viral Dola hair glue to install this wig, y'all. And I actually ordered the entire little kit from TikTok, so I'm going to be utilizing everything that's in this kit, well, for the most part. Actually, let me show you guys the glue that I'll be using. And this is the glue that I'll be using. Y'all, I'm a little nervous because I've never actually used an actual glue to lay my wigs down. I always use some sort of adhesive spray, or I just wear like a wig grip and just kind of lay my baby hairs down. I don't actually ever fully glue my wigs down, so I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited, kind of just feeling a mixture of emotions. But we're about to get this process started, and I'll actually show you guys a clip of all the other goodies that came in the Dola hair kit package. Okay, so I have to put my glasses on because y'all, I'm blind as a bat. I cannot see, and I want to make sure I do this right because I'm not using a mirror. I'm literally looking directly at the camera to apply this lace glue. And according to the instructions, make sure you clean your hairline, which I already did, and to apply between 2 to 4 layers of the glue and allow it to get clear and tacky before applying your wig, which I'm about to do. So just keep watching. Okay, so y'all, this is the wig. It's pre-curled, and I forgot what specific color of highlights this is, but I'm gonna leave all that in the description and I'm gonna go over it with y'all. But it came pre-curled. I love it. I love it. Super, super flat lace, pre-everything. It's one of those pre-everything wigs. But I'm about to put this on my head just to kind of get an idea of how I want to put this glue around my hairline. I don't want to mess up, y'all. I'm kind of nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay. Some of the hairs got like caught up under. Could have been a little bit more careful about that, but I think it's on. I hope this ain't lopsided. Is this lopsided, y'all? Let me look in this mirror. Okay, so y'all, I just took the milk band off and I took it out the ponytail. As you can see, if you know, you know why these two pieces out. Your girl about to hook it up, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished look. Okay, I'm back, y'all, with the finished look. I love it. This color eats. Like, this whole wig is just eating. They're eating whatever Trump said. But excuse me, I did go in, and like I said, I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but I did pluck the part just a tiny bit, just to kind of give it that widow's peak hairline. And I did add some foundation in between the part. But y'all, this wig is giving. It's giving college grads. It's giving she takes care of home, the bills are paid, the meal was cooked because she ate. It's giving. Let me stop playing and get into the specs of this wig, because I don't want this review to be too long and drawn out. Y'all, we was trying this out together. My first time gluing down a wig using an actual glue and actually using that particular brand. So let's get into it. Ignore the background, y'all. My people so loud right now. But the moment we've all been waiting for. Can the Dola hair glue stand up to the test? Let me give a good yank. Y'all, this wig ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. This wig is glued. Okay, so a quick rundown of the specs on this wig. This wig is 20 inches long. It came pre-curled, pre-plucked. This is a bye-bye knots wig, so the knots are bleached, so you don't have to worry about doing that. The density on this wig is 150%, so very natural, and to some people that might be considered thin. The highlight color is a number 30. And y'all, I love it so much. And this is, if I didn't already mention it, I think I just said that. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. Y'all, those are the specs on this wig. I think I'm gonna order some more wigs from Unice. I would like to order a red wig, maybe a wig that's more so on the blonde side. And y'all, if I didn't mention this is a human hair wig, because I know I mostly do synthetic wig reviews, but this is some human hair drip. Get into it. And that is pretty much it for this wig tutorial slash wig review, whatever you want to call it. We was doing this together, y'all, and I appreciate everybody for watching, tuning in, supporting the channel. Your girl is, the subscriber count is going up. I'm at 200 subscribers, y'all, and I feel like it's just growing by the day, so that's keeping me motivated to keep the content rolling. So I'm gonna keep it rolling. And if y'all have any questions, concerns, anything, any feedback, leave it in the comment section, and I'll try to leave everything about this wig, all the specs, in the description box, and a link to purchase this wig off of Shein as well. Mwah.